Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into super useful topic how to migrate site from live to local. Where you are a developer or WordPress lover, this guide will help you to migrate site from live to local. Let's get started. So for example I am migrating this site to local. So uh, this video divided into 5 steps. Install the migration plugin first. Second, export your live website. Set up WordPress locally and install the plugin. Fix file size limit if needed. Import, restore your website. So let's get started. Install migration plugin. So for migration plugin, I love to work with all-in-one migration. It is very good plugin. Search, go to add new plugin and search all-in-one migration and click on install now and activate. So I already in my system it is already enabled and activated, so I'm just updating now. Okay, now it is installed and updated. Now go to export. Wait a minute. uh, this export option is not seeing here, but I am searching for that. Wait a minute. All-in-one migration. all in All-in-one migration. Wait a minute. Okay, it is not activated, so this option was not uh, showing. So first activate all-in-one migration, and now this option is coming. Click on export. Now click on export site to and click on file. Now it takes some time. In the meanwhile, I will set up this site on local. So for that, uh, go go in your htdocs, or I am using LAMP. So I already make for setup local, install WordPress via WPCLI. So you can make you can check my video in I button. and go to www and go to HTML, and at here I already have latest zip. If you do not have, then you can get by a WP get. So go go at here and open internal and paste this command. This is a WP CLI command also. So now WP config generated and WordPress installed, and also now our third step is, okay, if you want to check, okay, cool, go to WP admin. Okay, now it is installed. Now I will go for third step, set up and install the plugin. So for install plugin, do same thing, means at here go to plugin and add a new plugin. So I am doing with my what say via CLI. So you can run via CLI, only simple command WP plugin install all in one migration and activate. You can do same thing via going at here, add new plugin, and search at here, and then means search at here, and then install now and activate. So it is same thing. So I did same thing with WP CLI, so it is very easy, and it do not take time. Okay, our third step done. Now for fourth step, fix file size, like, okay, it is taking some time. Okay, I am changing file size so that it will be import very big file, because in the WP only 2 MB is default file size for upload. At here select as post name so that our htaccess will generate. And if you have like it is saying permission error is there, so you just give permission to the to your folder. Copy folder address and give permission chmod 777 -r. I am giving 777 on my local, but do not give to live site or other. Okay, fine. Because 777 is on file and it is not safety purpose, but I am giving on my local, so it is not an issue. Now click on save changes Okay, cool. And if you go to it here and click on import, then it is saying only 2 MB. So 2 MB file is very less. So for increase file size, go to htaccess, go to it here in your folder and find htaccess. At here it is open, and at here put increase file size. So at here I already have PHP value, upload file size, post max size, memory limit, max execution, input time. Okay, I think it is read only. So again I'm giving same permission. Operation not generation of. Okay. Okay, click on save as. Oh, sorry. Click on close. Okay, I am just first giving permission so that it will be easy. Why? Okay, give sudo. Okay, now change inside, change in the htaccess. Now it is added. Now check, it is 1 GB. Okay, now our last step is import and restore your website. Okay, waiting for. Okay, now it is 399. So download. Okay, keep it is taking some time, so I am pausing my video, and when it is done then I am coming back. uh, at that time some issue is in downloading, so it is big size, so copy URL, uh, copy download URL from here. Okay, and then you can download via WP get or other, or you can directly download from here. I am using uh, area 2C for download in Linux. You can download via directly, but I am using because it is very fast. Okay, and I am going to my download so that it will be easy for me. Open in terminal. It will take very less time and also give very good speed for download any item. Like it is giving very good speed, downloading speed, and also if I pause and something mishappening, then it start from that place also. So it takes some time. So in the meanwhile I am pausing my video and coming back again. Now file is loaded in same time, only 2 second, 1 second. Okay, it is loaded. Now importing, go at here all-in-one migration plugin and import, click on import and click on file, and you can select where your file is located. So click at here, and wait for time, like it will take some time for import, etc. Okay, click on proceed. So there is no requirement of change in DB or file or theme or other part. It will do all thing. So wait for some time. It is restoring database, and it is also saying percentage, etc. And it do not lose any data via this method. So it is taking some time. I am pausing my video again and coming back. Now our file is imported. Now it is saying imported successfully, and now click on save permalink structure, etc. So click on finish. Okay, now go ahead here and click on view side. Now it is same which we are seeing at on our main side. Like at here, compare both sides are same. There is no data less. Sorry, there is no data less loss. So you can compare. Now it is coming. It is very. This process is very smooth. So you can follow this this process, and in this I cover all 5 steps. Okay, okay, now I think you understand everything for this, and that's it. You know how to debug the how to migrate WordPress from live site to local. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorial. Drop your question or experience with migration in comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.